Welcome to our Stock Reward Walkthrough series. Today we're exploring the transfer function in our app. This function is located in your portfolio and can be used for both deposits and withdrawals. In this session, we'll focus on depositing money. To begin, click on the transfer option. This opens a page where you can enter the amount you wish to deposit. For this tutorial, we'll deposit $1. You can adjust this amount by typing in a different number. The box also shows the accounts involved in the transfer. By default, it's set to transfer to your bits of stock brokerage, meaning the money will be moved from your checking account to your brokerage account. If you wish to change your checking account, click on the account. Here, select Add Account. You'll have the option to add either a checking or a savings account. Fill out all the required information and ensure that your account holder name matches your brokerage name. Once done, click Add Account to save the new account, or Cancel if you wish to go back. Adding a new account takes as little as 1 minute to 1 business day, depending on your bank. The process is similar for adding a new account to the To field. You can also edit or remove any accounts by clicking on Edit. Click Cancel to undo any changes. Now let's review our transfer. We're depositing $1 from our checking account into our bits of stock brokerage. Click Review to further examine the deposit details. Here you can see the total sum of the deposit, the accounts involved in the transfer, and a summary of the transfer. To submit the deposit, click Submit Deposit. Congratulations, you've initiated your deposit of $1. Your Bits of Stock app will display a timeline of the deposit, allowing you to monitor its progress from initiation to completion. Typically, this process takes 3 to 5 business days, depending on your bank. Click Done to exit. To review your transfer summary, scroll down to your account history in your portfolio. Select Deposits and Withdrawals. Here, you'll see your $1 deposit is pending. Once the deposit is complete, the status will change to Complete. It's that simple, so go ahead and enjoy the benefits of our Stock Rewards program.